Baler, Philippines, the surf capital of Luzon. Many deem it as a surfer's paradise, but a few know that this town is also steeped in rich history and culture, where every corner tells a story and every landmark whispers secrets of the past. From centuries-old church to mementos of some of the most important people in our country, let us prepare to be transported back in time by exploring the historical surf town of Baler.
Boy, kamusta?
Alauna ng madaling araw nung nagkita kami ng tropa kong si Kenji dito sa Joy Bus Terminal sa Cubao, Manila. Dito yung sakayan ng point-to-point papuntang Baler sa halagang 920 pesos. Link ko na lang down below kung saan pwede magpa-reserve ng tickets.
Yo, dito na kami sa bus with Kuya Ken. It's 2 a.m. Tulog muna. Tulog muna.
At after almost 5 hours na biyahe, we finally arrive at the beautiful town of Baler, Aurora.
Lalakad kami now sa Baywalk. On the way kami sa Besticles Bike and Motorcycle Rental. Rent kami ng motor para yun na lang yung service namin dito.
Baler is a relatively small town. It's the capital of the province of Aurora and about 93 kilometers inland area. At malaking convenience kapag may motor kayo dito. Kaya yun ang una naming inatupag pagdating namin. Nag-rent kami sa Eastwatch for 12 hours sa halagang 600 pesos.
Nag-rent muna kami yung motor para punta kami sa town proper ngayon to explore. Ano yung ORCR mo, pre?
Okay
Kunin
na.
mo na yung bagong unit mo. Release na. Uy! Driver for today! Yay! Teka, wala pa tayong na-pin na location.
At sa sobrang excited ko, na-realize ko na ang dami kong kulang na footage. Well anyways, dito kami nagstay sa Hiraya Baler Beachfront Cabanas. We rented a single loft cabana for 4 days and 3 nights and only costed us 5,500 pesos in total. May aircon at minimalist style lang. To add to that, the vibe of the whole place is really relaxing. Not to mention na very Instagrammable tong place na to. They also offer surfing lessons dahil sa tapat lang din siya mismo ng Sabang Beach. Overall, I would say the best place to stay on a budget.
Kain muna tayo.
Tara.
Saan?
Saan ba meron? Bumalik muna kami dito sa Hiraya kasi search namin yung pins doon sa mga pupuntahan namin sa town proper.
Ano namin na natin yung hanapin.
Chibugto. Chibugto. Pagas muna kami. Pagkabuta kami ng ano eh.
May laman daw sa amin eh.
Konti na lang pala yung laman. Isang lagok na lang.
At ang una naming pinasyalan sa bayan ay ang signage ng Baler. While primarily a modern tourist installation, this also represents Baler as a whole that helps convey a sense of place and community pride. Next to the signage is the Baler 400-year monument, which commemorates the quadricentennial anniversary of Baler's foundation. So basically, ito ang testamento for the town's long-standing history and its evolution over the centuries, serving as a reminder of its past for both the local community and its visitors.
Next stop natin is Quezon Park tsaka Baler Museum. Katapat lang din siya nitong itong signage tsaka nung monument. Ayan lang siya. Just across the street. Quezon Park na to. Tapos nasa loob din yan yung Baler Museum. Tara, punta tayo doon.
Quezon Park is another tourist attraction in this town. It's named after Manuel Luis Quezon since he was born here and served as the second president of the Philippines and the first to be elected as president of the Commonwealth of the Philippines, which is a transitional administrative setup before our full independence.
Kaagaling lang namin ng Baler Museum. Unfortunately, bawal ma-take ng videos since nawawala yung essence nung pagiging museum ng Baler. So, pictures lang yung pwede. Check nyo na lang. Magsisingit na lang mga pictures dito.
A significant piece of history we learn from the museum is about the Siege of Baler. And the story goes like this. In June of 1898, during the Spanish-American War, a group of 50 Spanish soldiers found themselves trapped in the town of Baler. They were stationed here to guard a small Spanish garrison. However, as the war raged on, they became cut off from their homeland and were unaware of the peace treaty that had already been signed between Spain and the US. Despite being isolated and surrounded by Filipinos who were fighting for independence from Spain, the Spanish soldiers under the command of Captain Enrique de las Morenas y Fosi refused to surrender, and so they took refuge inside the local church. As months passed, the situation grew dire for the Spanish. They suffered from hunger, disease, and constant attacks from Filipinos. The siege lasted for almost a year. During this time, the Spanish soldiers endured unimaginable hardships. The Filipinos, led by Teodorico Luna, respected the Spanish courage and determination. So as soon as the Spanish soldiers laid down their arms on June 2, 1899, they walked out not into a firing line, but into the welcoming arms of Filipino revolutionaries who chose friendship over retribution. The siege finally ended on June 2, 1899 and is remembered to this day as a testament of courage and friendship between the Philippines and Spain.
So ngayon, next naman natin pupuntahan is yung bahay ni Donya Aurora Quezon, yung asawa ni Manuel Quezon, tsaka yung very well-known Baler Church, kung saan ginanap yung Siege of Baler. Katabi lang yung mga location dito. Baler Signage, Baler Monument, Baler Museum, Quezon Park, bahay ni Maria Aurora, Baler Church. Tapat-tapat lang sila if ever papasyal kayo dito.
Ito ang bahay ng pangalawang First Lady ng Pilipinas na si Maria Aurora Quezon. It is a fine example of a bahay na bato architecture, which is a traditional Filipino style that combines native Filipino and Spanish influences. Na-preserve ito as a historical site at nagsisilbing museo na dedicated sa kanyang mga alaala. It also offers insights into the life and times of the Quezon family. Over the years, efforts have been made to restore and maintain this house to ensure its preservation.
Tapat lang niya yung Baler Church. Ayan o. Baler Church.
Ito ang all-famous Baler Church, kung saan ginanap ang Siege of Baler na kinwento natin kanina. At honestly, we felt like traveling in time by witnessing all the historical places within the town of Baler.
Ngayon, kakain namin ng lunch sa Gerry, Shan daw, or sa Yolis. Doon daw yung mga authentic na Balerian foods. Eat all you can, 250 per head dito sa Gerry, Shan. Main road lang siya ng Baler. Nakikita nyo agad. Tapos yung katabi niya mga eat all you can din.
Palatanda, Mercury.
Oo, malapit sa Mercury Drugstore. Para kayo nasa handaan eh. Happy Fiesta. Sobrang busog, boy. Ano naman tayo ngayon? Fruits. Kukuan. Para ano lang, balance lang. Balance pero ang dami kinain. Up.
Nakabalik kami sa Hiraya around 2 p.m. para mag-check-in at mag-siesta.
Hey guys, so naka-check-in na kami dito sa room namin. Tapos diretso na kami natulog. So kakagising lang namin. Noong oras na, alas 5. Palipad tayo ng drone. Lamig, putik.
Tinapos namin tong araw na to by admiring the beauty of Sabang Beach. In-explore namin siya dulo to dulo. At dito na rin kami inabot ng gabi.
Yo, dinner muna kami dito sa Gayuma Cafe. Solid din namin yung motor namin. Pero magre-rent ulit kami ng panibagong motor for 24 hours naman. Medyo malayo kasi mga pupuntahan namin bukas eh.
Spot na pwede pa namin puntahan bukod dun sa mga kilala na puntahan naman. Tapos isa niyang nirecommend is Mother Place. Kasi may Mother
Kain na tayo.
Pero sabi niya,
Sarap ng grilled cheese nila panalo. Hey guys, andito na ulit kami sa cabin. Umuwi na rin kami after mag-dinner tsaka magrenta uli ng motor. Ayun, 24 hours na, kinabukasan na uli ng gabi yung balik ng motor. Babait ng tao dito, legit. Wala masasabi sa kanila. As in, everyone is so approachable, everyone is so helpful. Lalo na pag first timer kayo dito. Kudos sa mga taga Baler, Aurora. Babait nyo, solid kayo lahat.
At dito nagtatapos ang episode 1 ng Baler trip natin. Maraming salamat po. Good night.